Okay, so today we are checking out this CarPlay device. What this is going to do is allow you to connect to the Apple Play on your system here without having to connect it with the wire. And I have not hooked this up yet for the first time, so we're going to go ahead and try it for the first time together, but I'm pretty sure I know how it's going to work. I'm going to open this up, go to Bluetooth here, get it in discovery mode, and then I am going to connect this right down here into my USB, and it should pop up so you can see it says smart dongle. So we're going to go ahead and click that, hit pair, allow. Okay, and you can see it worked just like that. That was super duper easy. I'm going to go ahead and mess with a couple of these settings that I'm pause now. Actually, I had to go back through and click Bluetooth one more time, hit connect on Bluetooth one more time. So that's what the problem was. And now it's going to act just like a regular CarPlay would. Let me go ahead and let's see, some music. So the music works fine. You know, you can make some calls, use the map, and use all your other apps just like you would on any other CarPlay device. Let me go over the driver's side, cut the truck off, and then start it back up and make sure the CarPlay is going to automatically connect. Okay, so we go ahead, cut the truck off, open up the door. It's going to cut off, close the door back, start it up. And there you go. You can see, this is my wife's phone that's connected to here. She's got a couple messages. You can get to her maps, everything like that. Let her know the music's playing already. Hit her map, put in whatever. So it works really good. And you don't have to keep reconnecting it every time. So if you need a nice CarPlay device, you're tired of plugging it in all the time and you just want to connect automatically, this is a nice little out-of-the-way USB device. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.